Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to see the live preview of any HTML, CSS and JavaScript file directly in VS Code. So VS Code will actually have its own browser. As you see right here, we have some source code, some HTML file. As I add some code to it, I'm automatically seeing the result. Side by side on the right hand side, it automatically started a local development server. So this is I done this using a Microsoft VS Code extension called as Show Live Preview. If you also want to do it, simply go to extensions and search for an extension called as Live Preview. Simply type this in the search bar, Live Preview, and you will actually see this verified extension which is developed by Microsoft. As you see, it actually hosts a local server inside your workspace. So it's got almost 13 million installs. So it's a very popular extension. I've already installed it. So after installing it, go to any file, go to any HTML file and simply right click. If I close this, and you will see this option appearing, show preview. So as you see, this option will appear, show preview. And if you click on that, the extension will get started and it will automatically create a local development server directly in VS Code side by side. So if you make any kind of changes, you will see that it will be reflected back. So it also works with JavaScript as well. So if you add a alert statement, you will see that the alert statement will be showing. So let me just disable the autosave feature. So by default autosave is on this extension. So that's why as I type the code, you will actually compiling this JavaScript and showing me the result. So you get the point. It actually saves everything as you type. The code is saved and automatically run. You can change this color. As you see, it will be reflected back. So we can also write custom JavaScript as well. Let me change the background color. So as you see, it will be reflected, all the changes will be reflected back, guys. So this will save you a lot of time because you no longer need to actually, after writing the code, you need to open browser. Instead you can use this extension by Microsoft, which will directly open a live development server inside your VS Code. So definitely check this out.